motorbikes. We were on motorcycles because we parked them in the snow up here, didn't we? Yeah. Now, to your left is Tipsu Lake.
And to the right is Rainier. And I'm watching it.
Yep, and we'll park and go right down there. Walk, touch. Alright. I'm gonna get my camera.
Oh, you're getting camera finally?
Oh, yes, I am.
This one has more
Oops. I don't want to interrupt this recording. Yay! Oh, what is behind you?
Right here.
Yeah. Wherever you go, whatever you do, it's Mount Rainier.
Sometimes you see a lot of deer in
That's
this
pretty much what
area.
dominates the scenery up here.
I bet there are 20 of deers, just we don't see them.
I've seen them up here before.
Now they're watching us. I think it's still hot.
Think so?
Yes.